Hi. You might be here because you saw my video. I don't know if I put a clip, but sorry if I didn't. It's called Baby Day.
Okay. And go. 1,
2.
3. Hi, I'm Sweetie. I'm 3.
I'm Waterfall. I'm 4.
I'm Lily. I'm 3. Okay, I shut it off. Why am I in pajamas?
No, you didn't shut it off.
Oops.
Okay, hi guys.
You have to hit the button hard.
This is it.
Get on ready.
No, it's get ready with me, not get on ready.
Okay, get ready with me.
Pause the video when we get ready.
You can't say that. You didn't hit it. Back.
Can't say back. She hasn't started the video yet.
Okay, start. Hi, we're about to sneak on the plane.
Yeah. I'll grab the phone. You guys save me a seat. The video stopped.
Oh no, they threw us off the plane. But we got paid of shoes.
Parachutes.
Not paid of shoes.
The end. Tell me in the comments what to do next. I will literally do anything you ask, video suggestions, as long as it is appropriate. Thanks. Bye.